How to add fade in and fade out effects in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, select any tool from the available options such as Trim, Mix, Merge, Convert and others. After selecting the tool, import the audio file you want to edit. This will open the editing interface. Here you will find the fade button on the bottom bar. Tap on it and you will see options for fade in and fade out. Tap on fade in and select the curve you want to apply at the beginning of your track. Likewise, tap on fade out and choose the curve to apply the end of your track. Once you have applied the fade effect, play the audio to preview the changes. When satisfied, tap the save button to apply them permanently. The audio file will be saved on your device, ready for further editing, sharing or use in your projects. Now you know how to add fade in and fade out effects in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.